How to contact Zooba support. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you want to contact support for Zooba, then first of all open the Zooba game on your device. Once you're inside the main lobby screen of Zooba, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner from the home screen. Now, in the settings menu that appears on the screen, tap on support on the left. Once you do that, you'll open up this Help Center page where you'll need to tap on Get in Touch at the very bottom of the screen. For some common questions out there, you can go ahead and scroll through the options, and there are several different articles that can help you with your problem. If you want to contact the customer support directly, then tap on Get in Touch from the bottom. And on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and describe your problem. Start by typing in your name, your email address, and then choose the category you want to mention out to the support team from the menu, and go ahead and answer the rest of the question according to the selection you've made. Enter the date when the problem or the issue occurred, and also choose how frequently it occurs. Now go to the message box at the bottom and write down the description for your problem. Describe your problem in the text box as much as you can, and if you've got any screenshots or proof about the issue, you can also link it over here by tapping on the link button at the bottom left and upload your screenshots. And finally, tap on this green send button at the bottom right to send in the support ticket. So after you do that, you'll be connected to the official support team of Zooba, who can handle account issues, bugs, and player reports. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.